I am going to embroider this design today. I will mainly use long and short stitch and satin stitch. Welcome back to my channel. Today, for this part of the flower, for the filling in, I am going to use long and short stitch. It is a very simple stitch. You pick up from here from the top, go below, come halfway, pull up the thread, go to the other side and just pick it up from here. That's all. You must be very careful. There shouldn't be too much of a gap between two stitches. Then it does not look good. Again, just beside it. Very easily you can do this filling up. Looks neat. You can do it very fast. Another thing you must remember, you must always begin from the center. Like if this is the petal, I have started from the center. First I will fill up this side and then I will go to the other side. Now one more thing you have to remember, if you are going from the center to this side, your thread should be this side also. When you will go to the other side, the thread will be on that other side. That means from the center, if you are going towards the right, the thread should be on the right hand side. I'll show it once again. You pick up, go halfway. The thread should be this side. It's a very simple stitch. Very neatly you can do it. And very fast you will be able to complete your work. Now to fill up the other part of the petal, again start from top, come to the middle. Since you are going from this side to this side, thread should be this side, and pick up a little bit. Simple. I hope all of you have understood how to do it. For this inner portion, I have used a shade of blue. Start from the center. Again the same thing. Just pick up a little bit. Thread on the right hand side. Pull it up. And a little bit from the top. Just that. Same stitch I am using. The long and short stitch, the same one as I told you before. Do not leave too much gap in between two stitches, then it does not look very good. That's all. Simple stitching. Very simple. You must always begin from the center, not from the sides. For these two lines, I have used stem stitch. Most of you are familiar with stem stitch. Another very simple stitch. Very, very simple stitch. And I will fill up this whole thing. I'll fill up this whole thing using stem stitch. So I think I have to do about 3 or 4 lines of stem stitch. Simple stitches. After filling in this with stem stitch, over here I will do 3 or 4 French knots. Very simple. Just pick up the needle from here, hold the needle in this hand, take this thread, go around the needle 3 or 4 times and just put the needle down from where you had picked it up. Very simple. Again, pick up your needle. For the leaves, I have used long and short and satin stitch. Like this, I have used long and short. This, I have used satin stitch. I have used 3 different colors. You may use threads of your choice. The design will look like this after you complete it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video tutorial.